Automatically manage your event invitations. If necessary, create a free Infomaniak account. Once logged in, go to Event and Marketing, then Guest Manager, click on Create an Event and fill in all the necessary information. Then choose the template best suited to the event you're organizing. There are many choices available. You can then personalize your invitation, adding a logo, image, background color, and text. Once you've created your event, you can start sending out invitations. Again, you fill in the necessary information, and you also have the option of choosing a registration deadline for your guests. Next, you edit the content of your email, as well as the subject line, and you do the same with the confirmation email that will follow your guest responses. Finally, you can choose the information your guests will be asked to fill in when registering for your event. Select where to import your guest list, confirm, and your invitations are ready to go. You'll be able to retrieve all your guests' detailed responses, as well as your reminders, directly from your dashboard. If you need to, you can send out new invitations at any time, with a different number of accompanying persons, for example. And that's it. Infomaniak's Guest Manager will now automatically remind your guests, so you know exactly who will be there on the big day. A mobile app is also available for controlling your guests.